This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Features include traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and a heavy-duty suspension. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
We buy trades for more at Wallace Chevrolet. All trade-ins and all credit applications are accepted. We're located approximately 20 minutes from Palm Beach and St. Lucie County. For more information, please visit our website or come by to see the largest vehicle inventory on the Treasure Coast. We look forward to serving you.